Hello students, today we are going to take the more information about production possibility frontier or production possibility curve. Every individual means every person face the scarcity of resources. Scarcity of resources means the shortage of the goods and services. The resources of an economy are always limited in comparison to what the people wanted to have. But it is possible to allocate the resources in many different ways, and every economy has to choose one of the many possibilities that it has. Means economy choose from one of the many production possibilities. Then what is a production possibility? Production possibility means it is a collection of all combinations of the goods and services. Combinations means bring together the goods and services that can be produced from a given amount of resources and given stock of technological knowledge. If we wanted to explain the production possibility curve, then there are the some assumptions. Assumptions means the suppositions. First one, resources are constant, means these are the fixed. Second one, technology also constant, means it is not change. Third one, resources of an economy are fully utilized. Last one, resources of economy not equally efficient, means it is well organized. We will explain this with an example. Suppose an economy which can produce the corn and cotton by using its resources when the resources are fully utilized. See here, if we observe this table, the first column of table shows the possibilities of the production. The second column shows the production of the corn from 0 to 4 units. Next column shows the production of the cotton from 10 units to 0 units. Means this table shows the sum of the combinations of the corn and the cotton. Suppose for the production, if we all the resources are used in the production of the corn, then maximum amount of the corn is 4 unit. And suppose if all the resources are used in the production of the cotton, then most of the 10 units of the cotton can be produced. Maybe economy can produce 1 unit of the corn and 9 units of the cotton. Or maybe economy can produce 2 units of the corn and 7 units of the cotton. Means here the economy can produce any two things in different quantity. There can be many possibilities in front of the economy. On the base of this table, we can explain the production possibility curve. And what is a production possibility curve? Means it is a graphical representation of combinations of the two commodities, that is corn and cotton, that can be produced when the resources of economy are fully utilized. It is called the production possibility curve. See here, if we observe this diagram, we will come to know in the diagram on the OX axis we represent the production of the corn, and OY axis we represents the production of the cotton. The production possibility curve means this. The production possibility curve gives the combinations of corn and cotton that can be produced when the resources of economy are fully utilized. Fully utilized means full use. Also, the production possibility curve tells us the maximum amount of the production of the cotton that can be produced in the economy at the point A. Likewise, the production possibility curve tells us the maximum amount of the corn that can be produced in economy at the point E. Means here all the points A, B, C, D and E, they are lying strictly on the production possibility curve. These all points represents the combination of corn and cotton will produced when all or some resources are underemployed or utilized in wasteful fashion. Wasteful fashion means to use without need. If we observe the diagram, in the diagram, production possibility curve is downward sloping from left to right. Why? Because here the production of one good can be increased only the sacrificing of the other good. Second one, the production possibility curve is concave to the origin. Why? Because of the increase in the marginal opportunity cost. So, every economy has to choose one of the many possibilities that it has. So, students, today we are taken the information about the definition of the production possibility set, as well as we explain the production possibility curve.